What's going on, Sip Sip? So I saw this vehicle in passing and I came back to take a video of it. But if you can't see this vehicle was in an accident. Looks like they hit a pole or something. But this vehicle was in an accident, and the jaws of life, I'm assuming, had to cut this vehicle apart. It looked like it was rear-ended along with hitting something. And so this is a video about wearing your seatbelt. So I don't know if this person survived. God bless whoever was in this car. But this is one of the reasons why you should always wear your seatbelt. Because I believe that the jaws of life cut this off, but it looks like it was, man, the doors, they were ripped off of this bad boy. So this is one of those things where you don't believe it until you see it. So this is just a video about wearing your safety belt, wearing your seatbelt. So I don't know if the person in this car survived or not, but it looks like they were rear-ended along with having a bad accident. So the airbag was deployed, and it's a bad situation right here. So if you don't wear your seatbelt, or if you never wore your seatbelt, this is the reason why you should wear your seatbelt. This is the reason why you should wear your seatbelt. I don't know. Let me check the seatbelt in here and see. The seatbelt wasn't cut, so I don't know if the person that was in this car survived or not, but the seatbelt seems to be intact. They didn't have to cut it out. So God bless who was ever in this vehicle, but this is one of the reasons why you should always wear your safety belt. Just look at this vehicle. Again, God bless who was in this vehicle. This vehicle is, man, I'm hoping that they made it, but this is one of the reasons why you should wear your seatbelt. So God bless who was ever in this car. I just hope they made it out alive for them and the passenger. Again, this video is about wearing your seatbelt. And when I saw this vehicle, I decided to come and look at it for what it is, because I don't always put on my seatbelt, but this is going to solidify the fact that I need to put on my seatbelt when I'm driving. So y'all have a good one, and remember, put on your seatbelt when you're driving, and put your kids in the seatbelt, and make sure that everyone has their seatbelt. Y'all have a good one, Sip Sip.